Today, we're diving into a super handy feature for anyone who communicates in multiple languages. I'm going to show you how to translate WhatsApp messages instantly without ever leaving the app. And yes, this is the latest update for 2024, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. The translation feature is available in the 2024 update, so head over to your App Store and check for any update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Now open a chat with a message to translate. Launch WhatsApp and navigate to the chat containing the message you want to translate. Tap and hold the message until you find the translate button. You'll see several options pop up. Select Translate. In the Options menu, tap on Translate. This will open a small translation overlay within WhatsApp. If you don't see the Translate option, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. View the translated message. A translation of the message will appear above or below the original message depending on your device. This allows you to understand the message instantly while staying in your chat. And that's it. Translating WhatsApp messages instantly without leaving the app is a breeze with these steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.